Ever wonder how a 400-ton airplane actually comes together? Not the marketing tour, like real nuts, bolts, and mind-blowing logistics. Let me take you from raw metal to runway. First milestone, materials. It starts with giant rolls of aluminum lithium and stacks of carbon fiber fabric. The metal gets stretched, heat-treated, and milled into ribs and frames. The carbon fiber? It's laid like high-tech cloth on precise molds, then baked in autoclaves, massive pressure cookers, to become insanely strong and light. Second milestone. Wings. Wings aren't just planks. They're fuel tanks, control surfaces, and lift machines. Spars, the wing's spine, get machined to hair-thin tolerances. Skins are drilled by robotic jigs so thousands of fasteners line up perfectly. Flaps and ailerons are built separately, then mounted with actuators that can move them within millimeters at 500 miles an hour. Third milestone, fuselage barrels. Think of the airplane's body as giant sections: nose section, midsection, tail section, built in different places. Each section gets frame stringers and miles of wire bundles pre-installed. Windows cut pressure doors fitted, and the floor grid goes in so seats can click into exact locations later. Fourth milestone, systems. This is the nervous system. Wiring harnesses are loomed on boards like giant spider webs and labeled so maintenance can trace any signal fast. Bleed air ducts, hydraulic lines, and environmental control units tie together so the plane can breathe, steer, and keep you comfy at 35,000 feet. Fifth milestone, engines. Each engine is basically a flying power plant. Fan blades made from titanium or carbon fiber, spinning faster than your washing machine dreams of. They arrive tested, then get hung on pylons with pins the size of your forearm, torqued to exact specs. Sixth milestone, final assembly. Conveyor style, the big pieces roll into a football field-sized bay. Laser trackers and alignment pins bring the wings and fuselage together within fractions of a millimeter. Robots drill, humans verify. Landing gear lowers for the first time, control surfaces get their first hello world wiggle. Seventh milestone, interiors. Galleys go in like a Lego set with barcodes. Labs go in like a Lego set with barcodes. Overhead bins go in like a Lego set with barcodes. Seats go in like a Lego set with barcodes. Each airline's layout is different, so the cabin is pre-kitted. If one card is missing, the whole line waits. Eighth milestone, power on and tests, the moment of truth. Electric power flows, screens, boot pumps hum. Every switch, light, door, and sensor gets checked. Then taxi tests, brakes heated, steering calibrated. Ninth milestone, flight testing. Test pilots take it up, extend flaps, cycle the gear, and push through checklists that would fill a novel. Data streams live to engineers on the ground because everything is recorded. 10th milestone, paint and delivery. The plane gets sanded, primed, and painted in layers that add protection without extra weight. Final wipe-down paperwork and a handoff key that's more symbolic than practical. From rolled metal to a machine that can cross oceans in hours, all built like clockwork, with thousands of people and parts moving in sync. Next time you board, look at those rivets and panels. You're walking into one of the most complex products humans build, on schedule, to the millimeter, and ready to fly.